Yeah!
All right!
Vegas, here we come, man!
Ready?
Yeah!
Alright. And yeah! Yeah, you feel that? Just rebuilt this. Just rebuilt the motor.
Yeah! Let's go!
Alright.
Oh, jeez. Woo! Yeah, bang! Woo!
Sun sure is bright.
Oh, kidding.
We need some shade.
Shade?
Yeah.
Whoa! Shade!
Alright, I think this is what this is for.
Whoa! What it's for?
You did.
Shade, shade, shade.
Calm down there.
Joe does want to be one shade.
Can't be an animal.
Woo!
That water's nasty. Alright. Now, what did we do? Some shade on.
Whoa, dude, where are you going, man? Woo!
Alright. That's some good shade.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fire good.
Fire good.
Alright.
Oh.
Dude, how much have you had to drink?
Not enough, man. Not enough.
Man, I'm getting hungry. Let's see what we got to eat. Brian, we need to cook.
Yeah. Food.
Alright, well, it's time to get some food to eat.
Yeah, I'm hungry, man. I'm starving.
Yep, so we got the fire going real good here, so let's get this started.
You always start with your liquids. Do you want me to pour it in now?
Oh, yeah, go ahead and coat the pan with that.
Okay.
That's good, yeah.
Alrighty.
See, it's good when it coagulates on top. I'm gonna open up this can here of chili. You want to go grab me a oven mitt.
Yeah, oven
inside
mitt, man.
there.
All right, man.
So this is a fully functional RV. I didn't even have to go to the store before we left for this trip. This is pretty sweet. I mean, we got all the food we need. Nothing really seems to work right, but it's all right.
The oven mitts.
It's coming all right. Oh, they're in there somewhere. I know Grandpa put some in there. So this smoke is just killing me right now, man.
My wig on.
Oh yeah, so we got that. That's going good.
Oh, dude, that smells awesome.
If you never cooked with Coca-Cola, or in this case, Shasta Cola, man, it's something you really got to try. So let's just put the chili in here.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Man, that is good.
A little more of that. 'Cause we need
Yeah.
some of that. Yeah.
Let's do that. Looks like it's lacking a little on some seasonings and flavors, though.
Oh, I got that.
They must have gone cheap on their recipe.
Hey, want some salt, man?
Yeah, actually,
Here.
yeah, let's get some. I'm gonna put some pepper in there. I'll put some salt. Let's get this. We don't want that in there.
Oh, that's all right.
Can't have garbage in there.
Some pepper?
That's
oh,
good.
Yeah.
Oh man, we need a little more liquid in there.
Here, well, some bouillon. Want some bouillon?
Yeah,
Okay.
throw a few of those in.
Okay.
Salt, man, that's good.
Oh, it's gonna be awesome, man. These packets dissolve, right?
Yeah, they're edible. It's good stuff. Sure glad Mom taught us how to cook.
Yeah. Table sugar? We need some table sugar?
Yep. Put some sugar in there. You gotta have a little sweetness. That's great.
Say when.
Keep going, man. Keep going. Yeah. That's good. I like this.
Oh,
This is delicious.
starving.
What we got? We got anything else we can throw in here? No. Oh, that's coffee. What coffee flavor sounds good? You know,
Yeah.
a lot of times you put coffee
chili?
in your chili. That's
Oh,
kind of seasoned.
yeah. Here we go.
So we got some. This is some coffee too. It's supposed to be gray and fuzzy, right? Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. I'm starving. I'm starving.
Huh. Wow, that's a cute little pepper.
Oh, it's so cute. Put them in. Let's eat it.
Is this real? Oh wow, that coffee really brings out the essence of
doesn't
this.
it? Doesn't it? Oh, the salt's breaking down.
Man, that is good.
Hey, put some in here too. Let's make some tea.
Oh yeah, we got to.
Yeah. I like tea. I like tea with my dinner.
Tea is great stuff. It really clears out the smoke from your eyes.
Yep.
Here, go ahead and let's make some good stuff.
Okay. Make a blend.
Yeah.
You know what? Let's try this too.
So we got this going on. How do you open this thing? Just like that.
Now we just shake this, right? That's how this works?
Yeah. Shake it and throw it on the fire a little bit.
It won't close.
There we go. Nice. That's good. Yep.
I'll put it right there, right next to the flames.
That is good. That's good stuff. I'll tell you what.
Oh, we're gonna eat good tonight.
Yeah, we need to raise the temperature a little bit up in here.
So this is 375 at 40 minutes, right?
Yeah, something like that. Sounds about right. I don't think we. Oh, there's a fire. There we go. Yeah. Nothing like cooking over an open fire.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
Great
I
stuff.
love camping. Woo!
Yeah, that's good. Well, we're boiling. That's good.
Or is that just a chemical reaction?
Yeah, we're good.
We got any bowls?
Can't wait to eat this. Bowls? I don't know. There gotta be something in there. It's fully functional. Woo!
Yeah, it's dinner time.
This is good.
Oh, here you go, man. Yeah.
This is good.
Yeah.
This is good.
Oh, we've been jonesing for this ever since we left the house. Oh yeah. Come on, man. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
I gotta put my silver down somewhere.
Oh yeah.
Here, you first.
Oh, thanks. Oh, that's so freaking awesome. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh,
There you go, man.
perfect. Oh, I didn't know you put potatoes in here.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, I snuck those in when you weren't looking.
Oh yeah.
Right on the ground, man.
Oh, it smells awesome too. Oh, that's really good.
Sweet potatoes around here. You don't even have to peel.
Nice.
They're nice.
Nice.
All right.
Yeah.
Want to get some?
Yeah.
Want to get some of that tea flowing?
Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah. Sure thing. You know I love them. I make a mean cup of tea. There we go. Oh. Yeah.
Cola tea. You
Oh,
can't
look at
beat
that.
it, man.
Look at
That's
that.
great.
Yeah. Put that right next to the fire. It's gonna be hot.
All right. You want cheers, man?
Oh
Cheers.
hell yeah. Cheers. Happy camping.
Woo! All right. Oh wait, I need to get my silverware back up here.
Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah.
Woo! Can't wait to dig into this.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's gonna be so good, man. Right. Oh yeah. Let's get the matches out of the chair here. Ready?
Nope.
Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that's man, we cook a good campfire meal, don't we?
That turned out all right.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Good.
Woo, campfire food.
Try out this tea.
Yeah. Wait. Pinky out. That's pretty good tea right there, man. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm stuffed now.
This is camping.
And we're done?
I think so. You're like, no.
That's the first thing I've eaten all day.
Uh-huh.
I'm able to choke it down.
Choking down your hair.
That sounded really...
Oh, man. We're gonna bone too long.
I've been this way long before going. Yeah. And that concludes our video day.